You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly and break down the pronunciation. Advance. How to pronounce in English. Advance. This is the plural of the word avant. There's going to be two different pronunciations of the first syllable. It's either as I've just said, or e. It's more common to hear avant, but many people say avant as well. Events. Events. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.